Washington D.C. shortest flight.
Hello viewers, in this airplane flight map animation we will be departing from Ronald Reagan National Airport, Washington D.C. to arrive at Philadelphia Airport, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. The flight map depicts flight time of approximately 1 hour 10 minutes and covering a distance of 198 miles. The altitude of airplane ERJ 175 in flight map will be around 10,900 feet. The airplane can reach